No redoing, rewriting, stopping, setting up shots. I definitely don't want to do this on my own. So, I have no musical abilities.
I mean, admitting is the first step.
Yeah.
Sticker still on it. Yeah.
On and off, but what's up? As promised, I'm finally gonna do a bike check on the Otso Arctodus tie. I built it up, or Kolby at Treehouse and I tag teamed it. We built it up like a month ago, or maybe just a little more. And so I have a couple 100 miles on it actually at this point. And I'm on an overnighter. And so if you want to see that video, be sure to click the link here. But I only have 21 minutes left of battery or memory card on the Insta360. So let's just jump straight into it. So I suppose we have to start with the frame. It's a Otso Arctodus tie. It's size large, and it's I only have like a couple 100 miles on it, but it's such a fun bike. I really can't get over it. This is my third fat bike, and I don't know. I'll have more to say about it, but hot take, fat bikes aren't only for winter. The wheels are 27.5, head half deal, so they're aluminum, but they have carbon hubs, which is so sick. And then I guess another obvious, or maybe not so obvious, but very cool custom detail that Wolf Tooth did for me were these pedals. These are their ripsaw pedals, and they engraved my name on them. So how cool is that? Also, Wolf Tooth chain ring, Wolf Tooth bottom bracket. These are relatively new to Wolf Tooth's lineup. So that's really cool. That's been working out. The bearings are really nice in there. Race face crank. Right now, gearing is 28, 22, and I have a 24 tooth cog at home. So if I ever like really get into some fat bikey specific stuff, I can gear up and yeah, have enough gearing. Other Wolf Tooth stuff: Wolf Tooth headset, grips, seat post, collar, dropper is a 200 mil Rev 2 dropper. Wolf Tooth cages, Wolf Tooth cage, cargo cage on the bottom. Right now I've got my cook kit in there. Lithic carbon fork. Cool Wolf Tooth lock rings. We can't forget about the pawl clampers. And then I did get some barrel adjusters to match all the purple bits. These also in the overnighter video I gave a brief bag overview and what I'm carrying, so check out that video. But these are sand util panniers, and they just mount on with these Old Man Mountain 3-pack racks. And so this is my second trip with these, and they work out really well. And then there's stretchy pockets on the outside there. 27.5 by 4.5 inch tires, and still loads of clearance in the front and in the rear. Dropper, or the dropouts, are all the way to the front, so I could even have more room. This bike will fit 26 by 5. But this is my only wheel set for it at the moment. And all my other fat bikes I had 26-inch wheels. So I was excited to try just like the bigger rolling 27.5 by 4.5. So that's even bigger width than I had on my other fat bikes. The Wojtek, the original Wojtek, was limited to like 4.2, 4.3 inch. Anyway, what else? Pawl components, brakes. I already showed the clampers. These are the cantilevers, bike tog, thumb togs. These bars are Doom curved build thrasher in titanium. This is K-edge stem mount, and I have my, I'll get into it in a different video, but when I'm only taking one computer, lately I've been taking this InReach Mini 3, and it's been doing a great job. I don't wear like a heart rate monitor or connect to other sensors, so for just recording rides and also having the peace of mind that I have SOS and satellite communication, seems like a no-brainer. Paul boxcar stem with a purple faceplate. Hopefully I have photos of some of this stuff better than what I'm able to capture it on video right now. Spur Cycles bell. This is a Wolf Tooth dropper lever. Shoot. Did we just rapid fire that? I think we pretty much nailed it. This is Brooks C13 carved, 145 width. This is my first Brooks carved saddle. Still unsure about the carved. It's supposed to provide pressure relief, but I've never had a problem with their saddles in the past, so I don't know. No issues with this one yet, although it does feel like it's definitely more like springy, and I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing for me, so I don't know. Jury's still out on that. Rotors, 180 in the front, 160 in the rear. Shoot, did I forget anything at all? 45 North Dillinger 5 tires in the front and the rear. No, the rear isn't on backwards. This is how you're supposed to mount the rear, so that it scoops, and then the front goes directionally that way. So I know when I originally posted this on Instagram, I got a lot of questions. This is a prototype dropper seat bag from JPax. It's nice and tidy and small. Heck, I don't know. I might do it. Thanks to Otso and Wolf Tooth. They're great to me. I had originally had a trip planned to go to Canada. And maybe I'll save that because it's not entirely off the table. It's pretty much off the table for this winter because look around, winter never really showed up here in Colorado, and I think it only just they only just got snow in Canada where I was planning to go. So anyway, all right, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.